The Supreme Court has directed the Chief Justices of all High Courts to prepare an action plan in order to expeditiously deal with the pending cases against members of Parliament and members of the Legislative Assembly. The bench of Justice N.V. Ramana, Surya, Kant and Hrishikesh Roy has now issued following directions. The Chief Justice of each High Court should formulate and submit an action plan for rationalizations of the numbers of special courts necessary, bearing in mind the number of pending cases in each district, the number of special courts needed proportionally, the numbers of courts currently available, the number of judges and their tenure, expected time for case disposal, the proximity of courts and adequacy of the infrastructure. In the event that the trials are even ongoing, the Chief Justice may also consider whether it appropriate or necessary that the case should be transferred to a different court. The Chief Justice should designate a special bench comprising themselves and designate in order to monitor the progress of these trials. The Chief Justice are requested to give their comments on the other suggestions of the amicus curiae for the purpose of the expedient disposal of the pending criminal cases against legislators. Additional suggestions, if any, may also be sent to the Supreme Court. The action planned with the comments and suggestions of the Chief Justice of the High Courts is to be sent to the Secretary General of the Supreme Court, preferably within a week. A copy may also be sent to the amicus curiae by way of email. Matters could be conveniently heard through video conferencing. While passing the order, the bench also remarked that special consideration is being given by the court to this issue in the view of raising wave of the criminalization that was occurring in politics in the country, and given the power that elected representatives sitting or former willed to influence or hamper effective prosecution.